Hi, good morning, dears. This is your revision session. Okay, wow. This is very helpful to your exams. I mean, next month you are going to attend the SCM exams. So please watch this video till end. If you skip this video between means you won't write the exams without corrections. Okay, so please watch this video. Already, what are the lessons we have completed? Just recall. The best Christmas present in the world, the ant and the cricket. In a grammar, we have seen punctuation and preposition. First, the best Christmas present in the world, written by Michael Marburger. Okay, wow. This is a roll top desk. The author went to the junk shop. At the time, the author found a roll top desk. In the desk, only give one envelope. That is received on January 25, 1915 from Jim McPherson. It's wrote on December 26, 1914. To whom wrote this letter? Coney. Jim McPherson wrote this letter to Coney. Coney means Jim's wife. Okay, wow. This is a trenches places. Trenches means the armies are fighting the places, that is called trenches. I mean, it has a deep valley, that is called trenches. In the places all the soldiers are played the football, because at the day was a Christmas. At the day the Jim was met one person. That person name is Hans Wolf. He played the cello in orchestra before join the army. Same the Jim also teacher before join the army in a Tarset. I just briefly introduce, but you want to read sentence by sentence in your book. Okay, wow. Next, the poem is The Ant and the Cricket. It's explain about the don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. You have to think about your future. That is important theme of this poem. And then the ant has some moral. I mean, one morality, that is, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. That is, the ant has some principle. Next, punctuations. Punctuation has capital letter, full stop, comma, question mark, quotation marks, apostrophe, exclamatory mark. Already I have teach to you with explanation, so please you have to watch previous video or your grammar note. Okay. And prepositions. Prepositions linking word of two words, I mean noun or other words, or noun or verb. This is linking word. Like, where are you sitting now? This is a question, but answer is sitting in front of the mobile means in front of. This is called prepositions. Okay, wow. Like, my birthday falls in January. Next one, main thing, the preposition has place, time, and another one is period. These kind of things it has. So you have to keep it in your mind which place we want to use in and at, these kind of one. For example, at, generally we can use an at night, but in that night is any specific moment. It means you have to mention in night. For example, I woke up in the night because the dog was barking. So at the time something is happened. So if any happens was in the night means you should not use at, you have to use in. Next, this is a place where we want to use at, in, and. Okay. Next, letter writing. In the question paper I have given letter writing. The letter writing has two types, that is formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter means we have to write for unknown persons. If you write our letter to our principal sir or correspondent madam means that is called formal letter. Informal letter means it will be write to our relatives. I mean those who are very close to us, that is called informal letter. Okay. Formal letter, follow the instruction you should follow. Sender's address. Sender's address means who going to write the letter, that person's address you should write. Next, you want to write date, Next, receiver's address. Receiver address means to whom you write the letter, that person address you want to mention. And salutation. Salutation means like respected sir, respected madam, dear uncle, dear father, like that is called salutation. Subject. Subject is what is the purpose you are write the letter. That is you want to write in a single sentence. Body of the letter. The body of the letter divided in 3 paragraphs. The first one is first paragraph you want to introduce about the letter, what purpose you are writing the letter, and second paragraph you want to write with explanations, and last one is you want to write with conclusions. Okay, like thanking you want to mention. Next, ending. Finally you want to end the letter with yours faithfully, your obediently. Okay dears. And informal letter. Informal letter are same the formal letter, but some things you want to skip. Sender's address, date, salutation, ending. This is enough for the informal letter. You want to write the receiver's address and subjects you don't want to write. Okay. Next, this is your model of the question paper. It has 80 marks and then you can write the answer in 3 hours. The question paper is divided into 3 sections. Section A, B, C. Section A has 20 marks and B writing and grammar 30 marks and C literature 30 marks. And main thing, you want to write the question number correctly. Okay, wow. Whether you write the answers correct but you are not write the number means question number, I won't give the mark. Next, section A, reading 20 marks. It's full of oriented the reading comprehension passage. Please dears, you have to read the passage till you understand. Okay, because if you are not understand very well, you are going to attend the answer means it will collapse. So please, you have to understand the passage, then you can go to the answers. Next, section B, writing and grammar 30 marks. It has letter writing. Third question, letter writing. Fourth one, short story writing. I mean, I have given some hints about the story. You want to develop the story by the hints. Okay. Next, fifth, sixth, seventh questions related the grammar. Next, section C, literature. It's oriented the textbook. Eighth question, MCQ question, that is called multiple choice questions. And ninth one, 2 mark questions. In that, if you write in a single word, I won't give the mark. You want to write in a sentence base. Next, 10th one, 5 mark questions, and 11th one, describe something by your one words. I mean, generally you want to write something. Okay. Yeah, your revision session is over. Please recall everything by your book and your classwork note. Okay dears, thank you so much.